As-Salaam Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. In today's reminder, InshaAllah, we will discuss those who are exempt from fasting. Did you know that there are certain situations where Allah has allowed individuals not to fast? It's interesting to think why that might be. The beauty of Islam is that it has come to make things easy for us, not difficult. Let's explore who these individuals are. The first person who is exempt from fasting is someone who is sick and feels that fasting will worsen their condition. Another person is someone who is traveling and needs energy to reach their destination. If they do not eat or drink, they may become weak or ill before reaching their travel destination. Additionally, a pregnant woman, who has a baby in her womb, is also exempt from fasting if she feels that it may cause weakness or sickness. How merciful is Allah, who grants permission to those who are unable to fast to break their fast until they are able to do so. Children, it's important for us to understand that some people are not required to fast, and yet Allah is still pleased with them. We should be understanding and not tease or judge those who are not fasting, as we may not know the reasons behind their exemption. Let's remember to be compassionate and respectful towards others, and not make assumptions about their fasting status. May Allah guide us to be understanding and kind towards those who may not be fasting due to legitimate reasons. Inshallah, see you in the next reminder. And always remember to be good to your parents and kind to others. As-Salamu Alaikum.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स विद इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।